Meanwhile, Justice Secretary Leila de Lima has ordered the NBI to prepare airtight cases against Sultan Kiram and his men for the Sabah standoff. De Lima's order followed the offer of Kiram for a unilateral ceasefire with Malaysian security forces. The Justice Secretary told newsmen that the NBI is now on case build-up against Kiram and his men. For his part, Vice President Tejeja Marbinay supports a stop the violence to pave the way for a dialogue between the two sides.
But ang instruction nga ni Presidente is prepare airtight charges. Pag-aaralan yan, ang priority syempre yung sasampa ng kaso dito sa Pilipinas. I suppose they violated also Malaysian laws. Yung possession lang nga ng firearms, that is a violation of Malaysian laws. So ang ano na muna, ang focus ngayon ng investigasyon ng NBI, which is a top priority in fact of the NBI, is to determine nga yung mga charges saka yung mga ebidensya kinakalap na charges in violation of Philippine laws.
Ceasefire muna. So ceasefire, stand down. Let's wait. What will be the charges? What will be the crimes committed that had been committed?
But since they're very, syempre, emotional na issue na rin to, sir.
Hindi. We're talking here of the Philippine government. Diba? They will be charged. Of what? What the crime did they commit? O yun ang kailangan. And I think it's being studied already by the Department of Justice.